Hello everyone, welcome back to the Core Java practical series. Here Professor Mohammad Shahid Ansari from Maharashtra College of Arts, Science and Commerce. In the previous session, we already completed with the practical number 1A and 1B. In this session, we will see practical number 1C. Write a Java program to print the area and the perimeter of a circle. This program is very simple and this is very easy program. In this program we only know about the area and the perimeter of the circle formula. We have a formula to calculate the area and the perimeter of a circle. To calculate the area of circle, there is a formula pi r square, that is your pi into r, and to calculate the perimeter of a circle, the formula is 2 into pi into r, 2 pi r. In this only one thing is unknown, that is your radius of a circle. So we will take the radius as an input from the user. R is the radius of the circle entered by the user, and pi, the value of the pi is constant, that is your fixed, which is 3.14. Only we have to use this two formula and we are calculating the area of a circle. Now let's switch to the NetBeans. In NetBeans we have a project Softcore Academy. Within that practical package. In practical package we already completed with 1A and 1B. Now we will create practical 1C. Right click on package, new Java main class. This is your practical number 1C and finish. Just remove the comments. Enter and back. Now in this program we will first take the input from the user. For taking the input we require a java.util package. This package contains a class scanner which is used to take the input from the user. Therefore we are importing the java.util.star package. Now in the main method just create a object of a scanner class. Control space bar, scanner sc equals to new control space bar scanner and system.in. This is the syntax to create a scanner object. Now print a message for the user. Enter the radius of circle. This is a message shown to the user. Now since the radius of a circle may be in the decimal point, therefore I am taking here radius as a double data type. Sc dot, we have a method next double. Next double is a method in the scanner class which is used to take the input as a double or a decimal value. Now double area of circle AC equals to, the formula is pi. So now we will first define a pi. Since pi, the value of the pi is a constant, that means it cannot be changed during the execution of the program. Therefore in Java we have a keyword called as final. Final keyword is used to declare a constant variable in the Java. Final double pi equals to 3.14. Now to calculate the area of circle, the formula is pi into r, and to calculate the perimeter of circle, the formula is 2 into pi into r. Now we will print area of circle equals to plus area circle AC and sout tab. Area perimeter of circle equals to plus PC. This is a simple code. In this we only apply the formula which is given by the mathematics, and just right click on it, run. It is asking the radius. I am entering the radius as 5.4. The area of the circle is given as 91.56 ... and then perimeter of a circle is a 33.912 in this. This is the simplest program in the practical number 1. One more thing, the value of the pi is your constant. That means we are declaring the value of the pi with the final keyword. Suppose user or the programmer wants to change this value. Suppose programmer wants to change the value of the pi to 3. It will generate an error. We have an error. Cannot assign a value to the final variable. That means once you are assigned this value, after assigning the value, we are not able to change the value of the final variable. So this is the concept of final variable or a constant variable in the Java. This is your practical number 1C. The simplest program among all the three practicals. It is one of the among all the three programs, it is one of the very simple program. I hope you understood this session. Thank you so much.